how to invite collaborators on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can invite collaborators on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to invite collaborators on Instagram, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application here, then tap the plus icon from the bottom of the screen and then go about uploading a normal post as you would normally do over here. So just go ahead and tap the next option. Tap on next option again. Now if you want to invite a collaborator, if you look at the top you'll find an option called tag people. So tap on tag people. You can tag a people like you normally would, but to invite collaborator, right in the center you'll find the option called invite collaborators. Right when you do that, you should be able to see this interface where you can simply enter the name of the person you want to collaborate with, and once you do that you can just go ahead and tap the done button in order to collaborate with them. This way you can invite collaborators on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.